Hello again, everybody. My name is Aaron Moniz, co-founder of Inspire Citizens, and today I had the pleasure of working with the ARIS teachers on taking the core purpose, the idea of being a diverse community, and inspiring, empowering, and transforming for a better future. And we spent the whole day looking at tools to develop inspiring and transformational curriculum. We did sustainability audits of the school building and the surrounding space. We looked at the sustainable development goals. We looked at social justice standards. We looked at well-being indicators, and we figured out what it is that we care most about that we can link to our curriculum at the school. And then we looked at what are impactful actions that we could take as ways to transfer from our curriculum. Which community partners could we work with, what kinds of actions, and how can we use our curriculum to do good in our communities. And then we gave teachers some time to develop unit plans and take some of the great teaching and learning that's already happening at the school and just level it up to really live that core purpose of the school. And I'm happy to say that I already thought your ARIS teachers were fantastic, and now some of the ideas that they have come up with for the teaching and learning that they want to do in the upcoming year are fantastic, and they really are going to help us to transform for a better future. So I just want to say thank you to everyone at the ARIS community in advance for the impactful work that you are going to do. We'll see you again soon.